Healthy eating is very simple and easy, and with my recipes I will show you how tasty it is. Today I'm making fish salad. It's very quick, delicious and healthy. I hope you can join me. I have boiled white fish. I used Alaska pollock. You can see all the ingredients in the description. Here I've got some cucumber, some spring onions and some dill. Let's start by chopping the spring onions into small pieces. I used 2 spring onions, but you can add more as per your taste. Now let's chop hydrating and crispy cucumber. And we add it to our fish. Now I'm adding white cheese. If you like feta cheese, obviously you can add this. I chop it in medium pieces. I love this white cheese as it doesn't have strong taste, but it tastes really good in salads. Let's add everything to the salad. And now let's chop some dill. Now let's chop and add some green pea shoots. It will give some extra nutrients to the salad. After adding all the ingredients, now we're going to season the salad. I am using extra virgin avocado oil, but you can use olive oil if you wish. I had pepper mix and also herbal salt. You can use sea salt as well. I love this salad because it's so easy and quick. You can have it as a snack or even for dinner. Look how beautiful and healthy it is. I'm sure you will love it. As I mentioned before, I link all the ingredients in the description. Feel free to see. If you like this recipe, please feel free to share with friends. All my recipes which I have on my channel are really easy to make and very tasty as well as healthy. They are weight loss friendly and they will help you to maintain healthy lifestyle. You can find soups, main meals or desserts, anything you're looking for. Healthy eating is not time consuming. It is quick, easy and tasty. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.